Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,197 in a row. Bitcoin current price $29,959, up about 4% today. We've experienced lots of volatility over the past week or so, down 13% on the week. It looks like the low here was below 27K, down 26% on the month, and down 37% on the year. So not what you like to see, but that's okay. We're just continuing to dollar cost average by a little bit each day. And, based on what we talked about last video, this is a potential outcome, something that was maybe expected. We came down here and tested this moving average a few times, and now you can see it's pretty much just a clean break. So I think dollar cost averaging anywhere in this zone is nice, and buying heavier on the 200-week moving average is a strong play. You can see that's been kind of the ultimate buy multiple times here. So yeah, there's a quick look at the chart that we've been looking at. Let's check the news today. The role of art in the Bitcoin Renaissance, the meaningful shift from Bitcoin maximalism to Bitcoin realism, an open letter to a Bitcoin doubting friend on Wall Street. So it looks like these are just interesting things that you could click on. Kind of some clickbait titles. The financial dark ages are ending thanks to Bitcoin. Namura begins offering Bitcoin OTC derivatives to clients in Asia. Bitcoin network fortifies as mining difficulty records all-time high of 31.251 T. So nothing too informative in the news today, just some interesting stuff that you could click on. Bitcoin owned 0.09572020, slowly working our way to 0.1 with these lower Bitcoin prices becoming easier to do. So today is Sunday, May 15th. Let's go ahead and tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to show us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. Tap done. That brings our Bitcoin owned up to 0.09575263. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,863 divided by 1,197 days equals a 2.39x of my investment, still doing very well. What this means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $2.39. I believe we've seen this as high as like a 4x multiple, maybe even 5x, but that's okay. We just continue to dollar cost average. At those higher points, it might be higher. The lower points, it might be lower, but we just want to continue to buy this asset. We'll go ahead and do the gain math on this as well. $2,862 minus 1,197 days equals $1,665 gain. So not too bad, definitely can't complain about that. We already took a look at this chart. Like I said, you don't really want to break this or else it's like a bear market mode. And that's kind of where we're at, so we'll see what happens from here. Genesis Syncronauts, one of the few NFT projects that I'm in that I enjoy. They're building a decentralized NFT marketplace that will be on multiple chains. It'll be on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Pulse Chain, you name it, they plan to go there. It's fully decentralized, operated by the Syncronauts DAO. So if you own one of these NFTs, you're in the DAO. You're part of the community, you have voting power, you can help critique and review and share ideas, propose ideas, things like that. And you'll also have rights to earn from the successes of the NFT marketplace. So floor price currently down to 0.6, and with lower Ethereum prices, that's definitely a very attractive price. Only $1,200 to get one of these, and it could be something that pays you dividends for the long term. So that's something to think about. They did tease a photo of the NFT marketplace in the Discord if you want to see that. Looks pretty nice. I'm not going to show that. I'm not really allowed to show that on here, but I will show kind of the floor of the Syncronauts. You can see that rising. And here's another chart of pretty much all the sales. So you can see a pretty steady incline there in the sales in the floor price. Not crazy volume or anything, not a lot of volume on these, but definitely increase in demand. I think pretty much everybody in the community views it as a long-term hold. Not many flippers, not much pumping, but a solid, steady NFT project with real utility and a real DAO. So that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.